Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all fine. So today we are going to continue chapter 3 from geography. Okay, dear children. So we are going to continue chapter 3 from geography. Okay, dear children. So what is the topic of our lesson? A changing earth. Repeat along with me. Our changing earth. Okay, dear children. So already we have seen 2 videos from this lesson and this is the 3rd video from this lesson. Okay, dear children. So this will be very interesting. So children, listen attentively. Okay. So let's start this lesson. Okay, let's start. First, work of ice. So already we have seen work of river and work of sea waves. Today we are going to see about work of ice. Work of ice. Okay, dear children. So first in that we are going to see about glaciers. We are going to see about glaciers. Do you have any idea about glaciers? Yes, children. So glaciers. Glaciers means rivers of ice. Okay, glaciers means rivers of ice. Okay, dear children. So you all have seen river, right, children? Yes. So like a river of water, this glaciers or river of ice. Okay, dear children. Very good. So these glaciers erode the landscape by bulldozing soil, stones to expose the solid rock below. So when this river glacier, river of ice is flowing, it erodes the landscape by taking the soil and stones along with that. Okay. Then second point, glaciers carve out deep hollows there. As the ice melts, they get filled up with water and become beautiful lakes in the mountain. So, in the mountain itself, there we can see some deep hollows when the glaciers melt. When the ice melt there, that water is filled in this deep hollows and it looks like beautiful lakes in the mountain. Okay, you all have seen lakes, right? Small lakes. Yes, like that in mountain also, when this ice melts, they are filled in the deep hollows there and that looks like lakes in the mountain. Okay, dear children? So are you all clear? Very good. We'll move to the next slide. So look here. See how that ice is melting and see how it's going. So see again. Yes. Okay, children. Next, we are going to see about glacial moraines. We are going to see about moraines. So, the material carried by the glaciers, such as rock, big and small, sand, silt, gets deposited and form glacial moraines like this. Okay, dear children. So, what are the materials carried by the glaciers? Like rocks, maybe big or small, then sand. These all get deposited and they form moraines, glacial moraines. Okay, dear children? Very good. Next, we have finished work of ice. What are the things we have seen there? About glacier and about glacial moraines. So now we are going to see about work of wind. Work of wind. Okay, first we are going to see about wind. In the desert, an active agent of erosion and deposition is wind. So look here in the desert. Okay, mainly what is the main agent in erosion and deposition? Wind. You all know wind, right? Yes, very good. See this picture? Very good. So next, we are going to see about mushroom rocks. Mushroom rocks. So in deserts, rock can be shaped like a mushroom. Have you all seen mushroom? Yes? So like this will be a mushroom, right? So in desert, some rocks are in the shape of mushroom. Some rocks are in the shape of mushroom. So they are called as mushroom rocks. So they are called as mushroom rocks. Okay children? Because wind is heavy in near that bottom place. So it gets eroded and gets the shape of mushroom. Gets the shape of mushroom. Because wind is active and very heavy in the down place. So that place is eroded more than the upper place. So it gets the shape of mushroom. Okay children? So you are all seeing mushroom rocks, different types of mushroom rocks. See? Okay. So shall we move to the next slide? Okay, very good. Sand dunes. So what is sand dune? So when the wind blows, it lifts and transports sand from one place to another place. Okay. When the wind is blowing heavily, it takes the sand from one place and keep it in another place. Okay. So when it stops blowing, the sand falls and get deposited like a low hill like structure. See, low hill. Okay, small hill. Okay, these are called as sand dunes. These are called as sand dunes. Okay, children. So finally, we are going to see about glass. So what is glass? So when the grains of the sand are very fine and light. Okay, when the grains of the sand are very fine and very less weight, that will be carried by the wind and taken over longer distance. Okay. So such sand is deposited in large areas. That is called layers. Okay children. So are you all clear with this? Okay. So first we have seen about work of ice. In that we covered about glacier and glacial moraine. Then we have seen about work of wind. In that we have covered first wind, mushroom rocks, sand dunes and finally lures. Okay children. So thank you children. Thank you for listening. So that's all. We have completed geography 3rd chapter. So see those videos repeatedly so you'll get more ideas. While watching the videos, always keep rough note along with you so that you can take rough notes like important points. You can just note down. That will be very useful for you. Okay, keep that habit along with you. Okay, so thank you children. Have a nice day.